2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, security system, compass, bed liner, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.